Association of Yorubas in Diaspora. Happy 30th anniversary.
It is exactly 10 years today, October 18, 2015 to October 18, 2025. The Association of Yorubas in Diaspora, Ayitsa, South Africa, celebrate our 10th years. Join us on October 18, 2025 from 2 p.m. at the iconic Vutrika Monument, Victoria, South Africa, as we commemorate a decade of promoting Yoruba culture and heritage. At this event, we will be discussing the developmental agenda for Western Nigeria, mobilizing the Yoruba diaspora communities, while there is going to be an highlight of cultural displays and exhibitions showcasing Yoruba arts, crafts, and tradition, and keynote addresses from distinguished guests, including our father, Ikubalaye, His Imperial Majesty Oba Abimbola Akimowade Elewet-Wan, the Alaafin of Oyo. Also, we will be having a memorial lecture in honor of the first patron of Ayitsa, late Professor Abolade Ajani Awotedon, and one of the sponsors, Pelican Valley Nigeria Limited, will be in attendance. Mark your calendars for this joyous occasion. Join us in promoting love, unity, and cultural heritage. Come and experience the richness of Yoruba culture and thrilling traditional music and dance performances. Come celebrate with us and let's reconnect with our roots. Announcers,
Association of Yorubas in Diaspora. Oh yeah. So we one love, one love, one love. I say one love.